Hi everybody, this is Mike here from the Trailer Depot. Today we're doing a video on a Sure-Trac Split Tilt trailer. This is a trailer that's set up to be able to accommodate two machines. So we've got it specially built for the customer. This thing is massive. I mean, 8-inch construction all the way around. So you got 8-inch channel tongue, 8-inch channel main frame, and then on your tilt portion is 8-inch box tube. We've got an extra set of ramps up here so we can load one piece of equipment from the side. You'll have one piece of equipment up on the front, and then another is going to come on the tilt portion of the trailer in the back. I just want to point out some of the features on this trailer. We've got a heavy-duty 12K drop leg jack. One thing that Sure-Trac does on almost all their trailers is a bolt-on jack. So very easy to replace it if you have a problem. Anything, you know, one of the things that get bent the most are jacks. You back into the trailer a little too hard, bend the jack. The ramps here, they're 7-foot long ramps that just store up on the front. So we've got an 18-foot of tilt and a 6-foot stationary portion up on the front. The ramps take up about a foot of that 6 foot, so you got a good 5 foot of clear space up on the front. Rub rail and stake pockets down both sides. Also we've got D-rings for tie downs on here. Spare tire mount. So this is a 16,000 GVW trailer, so we got 8K axles, gives us a big 17.5-inch tires and wheels, solid steel wheel. These are just real rugged wheels. I mean, you look at this, the main frame here, you've got an 8-inch here and then another 8-inch on the bottom, so you got 16 inches of main frame there. It's unbelievable how massive this trailer is. I'm going to tilt it now, but I want to show you on the back here, we just got a knife edge for the tilt. So any type of equipment, real small wheels, whatever you want to run up on here with this trailer, very easy to get on. You don't have to worry about climbing any sort of a lip or anything. We've got a single latch over on the driver's side. Flip that and it tilts. I'll show you here also. So you've got 8-inch box tube that makes your tilt portion, 8-inch channel, and then another 8-inch channel here for the tongue portion. So that's all your structure there. I mean, it's just, I just can't get over how strong this trailer is and how well it's built. With the tilting portion, you got 18 foot of tilt. It's a typical mechanical tilt that's got a cushion cylinder underneath here, right underneath in the center. So when you come up on it, it's not going to slam on you. I'll show you, like, simulate as if we came on with the machine. Bring the machine up past halfway and it starts to tilt back down. But that cushion cylinder just slows it down so it comes down nice and gradually, and you're not going to have any problems with it slamming down as you come on with your equipment. And that's designed, it's designed to be able to load sideways up on the front, but you certainly could have a small piece of equipment that you could bring up here, load it there, or maybe an implement off a skid steer or something like that where you could set that down on from the back off, get another implement. This is Mike from the Trailer Depot doing a video on an 18+6, 16K heavy-duty split tilt trailer with side load capability up on the front portion, the stationary portion of the deck. You can find us on the web at thetrailerdepot.com, like us on Facebook, check out our YouTube channel, and we're on Instagram too. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.